G'day everyone, I just wanted to show you that this is a CTS 49 built back in 2009. Now this sat in the cupboard at the customer's place because they thought it was gone. They were having some software issues, but in reality all they needed was a software update and also a keypad replacement. So we did that. Here is their old keypad. Completely ripped off there. We've done the software upgrade, we've replaced the keypad, now it is up and running. This won't sit in the back of the cupboard, this will be going on site every day once again. This is a 2009 unit, but it is functioning great, just like it was originally manufactured. So we expect, if there are any problems over the first 10 years, we hope that that'll be maybe the same things over the next 10 years, which are fixable and repairable. So that's what we can do here. We also, one probe, our first probe that we've supplied failed in the field. Obviously some places, chemicals get in there, there's all sorts of petrochemical things and they can degrade plastics or weld glues and things like that. So anyway, we've even got the serial number for the probe. We've got a new one, let's see if we can get that there. Can't quite see it. Anyway, it's fully laser engraved. New probe label going out to the customer as well. This is what we can do, and we can definitely look after you too. So get in touch with Simplify NII and we'll see what we can do for you. Bring the best value we can bring and make it worth your while. Alright, have an awesome day.